Hello everyone and welcome to another live trading session here at Candles Before Cubicles. We had a great session yesterday and we will try to continue that today. Okay, we have the basics in place more or less. Okay, I need to open this one as well. It's 9:05, so naturally pre-market sessions are already on the way. Pre-market trading session. Let's see if we can get this number beyond 15K. That would be really good achievement. Uh, I have recently gotten this over 14K again. Uh, so that's great. Let's target 15K now. Let's just keep doing what we are doing, and hopefully that will be enough. In the meantime, I'm just gonna set a few things on my app, on my phone. I have to say today the internet is really shitty again. I mean, you feel it immediately. Your apps are not opening. Everything is taking too much time. It's just weird. That's all. And at this rate, I will likely not be able to even open the app. Yeah, I'm able to open the app. I need to add a way to open this without the key as well, as per consent. Otherwise, things are gonna be weird. Okay, so let's see where we are. Markets have opened gap up. Or will open gap up. They have not yet opened gap up. Man, I have to say my back is killing me. I don't know, I think it's because of the bed. Now that I have reduced the work that I do in the gym, I think it's catching up with me. So bed is like really sunken in the middle region, and I think that is affecting my back. Upper back. I'm looking to watch Castle TV series for free, so if anyone here can tell me where can I watch it, do help me out. I mean, I know it's a contradiction. You have a trader who has made some money in last few days wants to watch uh, pirated stuff, but yeah, if you don't have that mentality, you'll have too much spending and you won't be able to have long enough time to invest in your trading because you'll run out of money. It's a weird correlation, but it is there. And the markets are up. Let's focus on that. And just like that, the entire gap is covered. It's always interesting to see the gap covered. I didn't knew it would be this soon. Okay, let's start looking at what's what now. Look at Vedanta, Tero, that's Vedanta. That's Daryl. M&M, Fin, Nika, SCI, M&M, Fin, Nika. This is already, oh my god, this is already up. SCI. Well, let's set this up. We've got Vedanta with ATR as point. Let's say ATR as 1. That is 63. Quite the movement we have with 1 ATR. This is Terrell Transformers. Transformers. Screw it. It's not like I'm doing anything with that. Then we've got M&M Fin. $2.12. That puts me at 29. Then I've got Nika. That is 1.25. Puts me at 50. Then I've got this bad boy. Central Mine 1.91 puts me at 33. Then I've got SCI. This puts me at 1.01. 62. All right. We are in. So far, I don't know. Kinda spectacle, skeptical. Markets are definitely falling. Hmm, Today I might not wanna push for reversal trades, frankly. Wait, it is happening. Actually, this is shit, man. I may have came in too early. I almost exited my only in profit position. Thanks for that. Today might be the day that I lose properly. Oh, am I kidding? And I'm already out. I think I just got kicked out of another trade. This is the only one I'm left with. So I'm putting my targets. Those are my reward targets. Okay, this is great, in fact. Come on, break that. Man, I just hope it doesn't get a whiplash on that daily high. Because I really do want to trail this on 1 hour or near 1 hour at this point. But because my R multiples are too small, come on, do I exit here? Frankly, my trailing stop is not even at 1 hour right now. Okay. Today markets are not very forgiving. Should I just take this and get out? Will holding give me good payout? Okay, while this is doing its thing, let's look at other opportunities. 7340 273.40 27060. Okay, let this do its thing. In the meantime, what is this guy doing? Come on, dude. Hmm. Fuck. Maybe exiting would be a good idea here. Maybe today is not the day. Okay, okay. Let's not think too much. Fuck. Man, this stock has really not been working for me for quite some time now. Okay, will this push go through? Maybe this is it. Maybe it won't break through. I have moved my stop to 1 hour. I'm thinking of just taking profit here. Fuck it. Okay, out. Maybe it will push through, I don't know. But just market today is not giving me a lot of confidence. In the up direction, that is. Okay, what do I do about this? Okay, I think we are out of that central mine trade. That is quite the shame, if I say so myself. Should I pick up on this curl? Okay, I'm out of this trade. And I'm down. Okay, I just shorted at 292 SCI. 293.45. My SCI short at what did it go? 290.45. 290.45. Sorry, 290.45. That puts me at 291.90. 291.90. 290.45. That right there is my entry. Please don't tell me it's gonna curl around. So those are my level for 1 hour and 2 hour. I'm not gonna get too optimistic here and go around plotting 3 hours. Let's just cover these. So I can have Shipping Corporation of India here. Come on, dude. Yep, it's not gonna open. Really, Vedanta? Oh, oh my. Should I just think of exiting here? Or is there like more possibly incoming? There is no reason to exit the short trade, at least for now. So let's just hold. Hmm. We have volume, we have movement. Come on, let me see more movement. Close. Very close to 1 hour. Okay, all for short selling if that is what gets me where I want to be. Right, my entry is at what price level? It's at 290.45. Yeah, that's okay. Okay, I'm getting to daily lows here. Should I bail? I mean, SCI is the kind of stock that reverses. Come on, dude. Come on, come on, come on. Okay, now I'm trailing. Oh man, come on, go to the 2 hour. Okay, I think I'm gonna be out of. Yep, I am out. Whew. I need a good winner, a clean winner that can pay for all the brokerage bullshit for today. I'm not finding it. Frankly, all I see is miscalculations. I'm hesitant to buy in this one. I mean, it does looks like it's gonna curl, but frankly, it has 200 EMA and it has seen rejection from 200 EMA to 7880. It's this one. So I do not want to take pointless risk here. Although this guy just might keep on moving down. I'm not, I don't know. M&M is just chopping around. It can go fuck itself. These two I'm very interested in. One for short and one for long. They are very interesting stock. Okay, what the hell? Let's try. See, this is the problem. Once you have traded something, it does not even shows your position right. 33550. Okay, this is 33550. That is my entry. There is the kind of movement that I'm expecting here. Shit, that is not it. Yeah, I think we are gonna be kicked out. Hmm. Well, if I'm kicked out, then I'm kicked out. Just gonna try something here also. 27960. 279.60. 27815. This is a big risk. Hmm. Really hope this pays off. That is 1 hour, and that is 2 hour. Come on, Vedanta, you can do it. Let's hope Vedanta can do it. Well, it can be read. What we see in Vedanta can be read from both sides. Can be seen that in an otherwise falling market, it's one of the very few contrarian moving stocks. It can also be seen in a way that it has already been it has already tried to fail to break the 200 EMA line and hasn't has much success there. So maybe it will just come back down like rest of the market. So obviously there is that sentiment and the other sentiment. So we can play it both ways. If Vedanta thing doesn't work out, I'm gonna take quite the hit at the point where I can't take that kind of hit. I'm really looking for a few good ones right now. I mean, I've had ups and downs. I mean, technically I'm in the green, but brokerage wise, not so much. I don't know. Terrell seems like it is curling right now. Hmm. Man, I I think I'm gonna be wrong on both ends, which is weird because if you are in a long and a short trade and you get both wrong, ah, that sucks. I mean, Terrell, definitely taking a loss. Okay, this was at 336.35. 336.35. Are you sure? Okay, my stop would be around this level. Three 33.35. Shit. Man, right now I'm being just too cavalier with my trades. Just too much. Oh. Well, on the other side, Vedanta seems to be tanking. Frankly, so does Terrell. I really thought maybe I'm wrong on the bias there. Whew. I'm gonna take a hard hit today. And worst thing is, mostly it will be from the brokerage. Unless I'm finally on the right side of these trades. Or maybe today the market just chops around. Man, if Terrell can go to POC, would be really something at this point. But seems like it's gonna fall further. Can't believe this. Initially, I was in a short trade for transformers. I think, right, yeah, and then I reversed it before it hit the stop loss for a long trade. And now it seems like it's gonna hit my stop loss again. And at least on Vedanta front, things are really going out of whack. There is naturally that VWAP line that, at least for now, it has been respecting. So it's not completely hopeless. Neither of them are completely hopeless. I mean, maybe whatever happens in the future, Transformers is, at least for now, curling upwards. Okay, it's not doing that anymore. Maybe I should have respected my own stop. This is my thing. I don't really, at least I have seen enough of the market to know there is no point sticking with one single bias. The markets are never that straightforward. That's why my bias like changes every 10 seconds based on price action. So like 10 seconds ago, man, I don't think I'm gonna be making any more trades today. I have taken enough hits. If these don't work out, then it is what it is. Although they really should, because come on, man. I really hope VWAP can do its thing on Vedanta side. Hmm. Come on, Transformers. Do your thing, go back up. You were curling. Shit, man, I really should have respected my own stop. Okay. So we have some hope. On the Vedanta side, VWAP, at least for now, is respected, although it's still very close to it. On the transformer side, frankly, right now, I can't really say anything. There is potential. It is sort of showing a curling pattern. Actually, I spoke to early on both sides. On both sides, we have action again. Okay, that is enough reaction for buyers to jump in at this point. Okay. All right. We have something. Now let's hope we see break of VWAP here. Okay, what was the Terrell entry point? 336.35. 336.35. Why does it always shows 30? Anyway, finally maybe we are close. Okay, at least we got to VWAP. So there's that. Okay, we are getting close to our 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. Nice. Come on. Keep on going. Do we make it a break-even trade at this point? You know what? I'm just gonna open it. I'm not really able to see things properly in that view. And now that it is moving, that's very important. Okay, let's target these regions. Now there is a reason I drew 3R here, because I think there is a potential for us to go 3R and more, or it can just fall back down and all of this can just, change. Naturally, that can happen, but we are hopeful. I think we will be out of Vedanta trade very soon. Okay, come on. Yeah, we are out of Vedanta for a loss. It was quite the loss, if you ask me, but still less than max loss. Is there a short possible there? I will do the other things afterwards. For now, I'm just putting in a short there and just leaving it as it is. 27778. Okay, this has stalled, so I'm just gonna take a look here. 27778. Fuck. Dude, if it reverts from that point, I'm just gonna lose it. Let's make it reasonable. Okay. Uh, 277.78.80. 277.80. 279.25. Pretty little baby, I'm so in love with you. Oh, come on. Really, Terrell, you're gonna fuck around like that? Okay, you know what? You can take it slowly. I'm just in along for the ride. Anyway. Hmm. One thing is sure, I'll be paying crazy brokerage today. Come on, Terrell, 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 Terrell. So on this trade, we are at 1 hour. Naturally, the position can just go nuts on me, but so far it has worked out. So I'm just gonna believe for once. So I'm targeting yesterday's highs here, and then most probably it's gonna meet that resistance at 200 EMA line. Now this is all just a theory, obviously, but let's see. It's just that is what I'm targeting for now. That is where my mind's at. If we can catch the move, that would be a great move. Okay, I need to keep an eye on this as well. Shit. So I'm back to this mostly because I really do need to keep an eye on this. So right now my positions are in profit. We might get some resistance on the Vedanta front. We are meeting one of the resistances, but we should be able to be okay. On this front, we have at least explored 2 hour on the Terrell front. Maybe the 3R is finally a possibility. Or should I just exit at 2R? 3R is exactly at the point of control line. It might just revert from there as well. Who knows? All I know is I am in a good position in that trade, and I'm very close to the price regions that I have been targeting when I started this trade, and I do not want to chicken out, even though I think some people have started taking profit on both sides actually, which makes holding out that much tough. Should I trail it to 1 hour at this point for the transformers trade? Hmm. Okay, maybe today it will just curl around. Fuck, just gave away the entire move. That sucks. Today is officially a chop fest. I don't know, maybe I should just take what I can get and just get out. That really was a big bearish candle. Let's see if VWAP holds on transformers trade, because if this was just profit taking, then and if VWAP holds, then maybe it can still slowly move up. If not, we are screwed, like big time screwed. This is making me jittery for the Vedanta trade as well. Vedanta is also Okay, buyers are really coming in right now. Man, I really messed this up, didn't I? This is a screw up of like epic proportions. Where is this even coming from? Okay, will we get to 2 hour in Vedanta? Don't know. We'll see, I suppose. Will we get to 2 hour in Transformers again? Don't know. Hmm. Come on, dude. Maybe I should just close Vedanta at this point. Maybe Vedanta has done whatever it could do, and this is all it's good for. Really rude. Terrell is really doing. I mean, we got it, dude. You made a big displacement move. Now, can you be just done with it? 276 level has 63,000 buyers. I think I should just exit right now. 65,000 now. Let's see it break that level. 276. Come on. Come on, 276. Okay, the buyers have disappeared at 276. God, it's not stopping on transformer side. At this rate, I'm gonna be screwed. Okay, maybe this is it for Vedanta. I'm just gonna close it now. Come on, dude. Are you really gonna completely screw me up? I mean, maybe Vedanta might still has something left. That's why, despite everything telling me to just exit, I'm not exiting. Okay, I think I should exit though. Fuck. That was a stupid thing to do, but yeah, we are done with Vedanta. Now, let's look at another stupid thing to do. Come on, dude. For Terrell, I still have hope. Fuck. What should I do? Should I go short again? I'm not going short again. Okay. this is done, then this is done. This is all I'm gonna do here now. I have already taken way too many trades. Okay, this was clearly a mistake. I shouldn't have waited when I was at 2 hour. Man, I might lose maybe 100. Okay, today's market, all in all, was one hell of a chop fest. It's not that I couldn't judge or put myself in winning positions. I did, but my execution left a lot to be desired. For example, this trade, I could have just collected 2 hour, but I was really adamant on going for 3 hour. Not because it was 3 hour, because usually these kind of trades, they revisit, especially this stock, it revisits daily high, and the daily high, even POC, was at 3 hour. So that was my reasoning behind 3 hour. That is why I held. Now, naturally, when it started reversing the way it did, maybe I could have kept some of the profits. Maybe I could have trailed it with 1 hour. Those are the things where I could have done something better. The targeting of 3 hour, that in itself, I don't think there was any demerit in that. Even now, like, it's not completely out of it. The stock might still curl, but yeah, chances of that are quite less. Mostly because this stock sort of kind of have like, it has one inflection point for the day and maybe two, but the second one comes in much deeper in the day. It doesn't come this early. My stop is at daily low. So unless this goes completely in the short direction as it has shown a little bit, there should still be some chance to salvage this trade. I am still in good position, not completely out of it. Thanks to the position size, I can still be in trade even after this kind of inflection, but let's see. Slowly and steadily grinding toward that stop loss. That is not good.